Guys, what's happening? Um, what's good, guys? What's good? Let me reduce the volume here. Let's reduce the volume there. I think we should be good now. What's good, guys? What's good? What's happening? Can you guys hear me? Drop a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Drop a 1 if you guys can hear me loud and clear. So we are live trading now. Back on stream. Doing what we always do better. Right, so just drop a 1, guys, if you can hear me right now. I'm just trying to send the link here to our platforms as well, so that everybody else can know that we are live on a Thursday. Nice. I see the ones. It's an NFP week. You guys know that? Yeah, it's an NFP week. There's NFP tomorrow. Just in case you don't know, you can check here. Look, I'll go calendar here. Excuse me. Friday is tomorrow. We have non-farm payroll. See this? We have NFP tomorrow. Yeah. Do you guys want me to trade live NFP here tomorrow? Drop a fire emoji if you guys want me to trade live NFP here tomorrow. What do you guys think? 15:30, which is 3:30 tomorrow. I could do that for you guys. I could come here and trade live NFP. We've done FOMC, we've done CPI, we have done. I'm talking about news trading. I think we've done all this kind of different news. I think we've done NFP once or twice. I don't know, but I think we've done that before as well. Right? Yeah. So I might come back tomorrow. We'll see. If you guys want me to come back, you need to drop a fire emoji and most likely like the stream and also just subscribe to the channel. And if you can share it, you do me a favor as well. Alrighty? Yeah. Guys, gold is ranging, but we have a bearish structure currently. And that's why I have this on the side. Right, if you check, this is a 15 minutes time frame. Price came back to this area. London session, we broke Asian session's low. Look at this. We broke Asian. Oh, okay, fine. Let's take this here. We broke Asian session low somewhere here. All right, and we opened London somewhere here. I'm about to take a sell very soon because price is retesting this level twice. Okay, so I'm about to take a sell. I think as soon as price breaks this level, which is going to be somewhere here. All right, so I'm about to take this up very soon. Yeah, no hesitation. I come here, I take my trades. If you want to take them with me, we win or lose together. Okay, so I'm waiting for this candle to close. It's closing in a few seconds, and I'm gonna send the same trade to our VIP platform. Yeah, let's see if the candle can close. If it's gonna close, we are going to share the. Okay, it's closed bearish, but let's see the next candle open. Okay, open there. My dad is calling me, and I'm about to take a trade. Wow. Look at this. My dad is calling. But I think, let me respond to him. I was on a call with my dad, and he's we are soccer fans, right? So he's a huge soccer fan. So now he's calling me and he's laughing at what Man City did yesterday. Some of you guys can relate if you're soccer fans. He's Everton himself. I don't know why he supports Everton, but he supported Everton for like decades. He supports a Finnish team. I support Man City, who's much better than his team. But every time my team loses or draws, he has to laugh at my team for whatever reason. So that was him laughing at my team. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I took this trade. All right, I took this trade, but I'm gonna add positions only if this candle closes below its own low. If it breaks its own low, I'm gonna add positions. All right. But I took a sell right now. If you guys want to take it, go ahead and take it. I took a sell right now. Okay, look, I took a sell there. Okay, I've got not the lots I want to use yet, but I took a position. Yeah, I took a position. Right. If you want to take it, take it. You guys know the strategy works. It mostly works. So let me show you something. Right. So I took this sell down there. Yeah, so if you're wondering, this is a sell that we just took right now. Okay. I'm very confident about this trade, but still I know I have to risk responsibly regardless. But I'm just confident about it that it's going to play out perfectly. Yeah, we can just hope that it does based off strategy, right? We can just hope that that's going to be the case, right? You guys, what are you guys looking at in gold though? What are you guys looking at? Are you looking at buying or selling? I took a sell right now. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Talk to me. What are you guys doing? You're still at the entry. Yeah, we're still at the entry. Good morning, sir. Hey, Mike. How are you doing? How's your journey going? You wanted to make, was it 1 million? How is that going? Mike, you guys remember Mike, right? Mike embarked on trying to make 1 million based off pro firm funding. So I don't know how his journey is going as of now. How is the journey going, Mike? Mike is one of my brilliant students of all times. Mine is saying insignificant, no, insufficient funds. We don't have money in your account, brother. You don't have money. Alex, you don't have money. You're trying to trade with a $10 account. It's not going to open. You need to fund better so you can open the position that you want to open. Yeah, guys, there's possibility that the trade might not play out as well, right? So if you take the trades on my streams, it's no guarantee. Just risk responsibly and let's have fun, all right? We make money, and we are all happy. If we lose, we're all going to be sad. But I think the risk is not that crazy, right? The risk is not that crazy. I put my stop above somewhere here. In fact, I put it at 175. 175 is right above London Station's high. 175 is, I put my stop here, above London Station high. 5175. That's why I put my stop. Right. So I'm hoping that if you can see here, it's my stop here. 5175. Yeah. Why am I putting it right there? I'm putting it here because it's right above London Station high. So my expectation is that maybe price doesn't need to come back to London Station high. It just needs to go to the downside from here, right? But there's no volume yet. We don't have much volume. I don't think there is as of right now. So we just need to wait and be patient, I think. Yeah, so how's yesterday's session? It was good. It was good. Had brilliant traders come around and we had some amazing lessons. It was a very good session. And we're doing the same next week again on Wednesday. You guys can join. I'll put a link in the description. You guys fill in the form that we have. It's under, I think there's a link that says course or something, like free course or whatever. You fill out that form, you most likely stand a chance to get invited. Right. So that's how it works. Yeah, this candle is going up, man. But what do you think we do? Do we close the trade? No, I freaking just hold the trade. I just freaking hold the trade. Yeah. I pity a person who has a $10 account and opens like 5 or 10 positions. The account is going to be gone because they don't know how to trade. So look, I'm in a drawdown right now. Oh, changed, but drawdown, and it keeps changing. I'm this transparent. I come here, show you guys everything every week. I trade live. I show you guys the wins. I show you guys the losses. I show you the drawdowns. I show you when we go in profits. Basically, I show you guys everything. Yeah, so that's the goal. Make us move to Dubai for sure. No, we don't need to move to Dubai. They're gonna bomb us. We just need to stay where we are, at least in the meantime. I lost $120 yesterday. Why? We had a winning trade yesterday. Check. Are you in the VIP or you're not? Look at this. Yesterday I made $7,000. Yeah, freaking 7,000 yesterday. Today I'm risking 2,000 of what I made yesterday. So I'm still up. If I lose 2K, I'm still up 5K, which is okay. So this was a trade yesterday that we took. It was a very beautiful trade. No drawdown, straight up in profits. If you are not in the VIP, make sure you try and join. There's links to this live stream, guys. Everything is on the stream. So click it down below on the description. There's links to join the VIP, and you guys can join. We have about like 569 people inside this platform. I don't know why you're not inside. If you're not, just make sure you join, right? You just need to find your Access account and then send me proof that you funded it with $50 or more. Then we're gonna add your setup, right? And it's lifetime. You don't pay nothing. It's lifetime, free for life. You don't, even if you blow your account, okay. Hopefully you don't. But if one day you blow your account, you still remain in the platform, meaning you can go outsource funds to come back and find the trades there. All right? Yeah, that's how it works. So who gives you some kind of value? Yeah, everything is at your disposal now. It's up to you to just make a decision and act upon it. Right? Literally, everything is just right in front of you. Lately, I provide value in different forms. I bring people around for free to learn how to trade. I have people here on stream trading live with you. I have people on VIP platforms. They get to get my trades. Everything is right in front of you. So if you don't act upon it, I don't know. This is maybe you might be just too slow. You might be freaking just too slow. You are a genuine mentor I have ever seen. I can't wait to join. Anytime, my man, you know what to do. What are the requirements to get into the VIP Signal platform? You just fund your Exodus account. Make sure you open the X account with the link in the description. If you don't, there's a high chance you won't get inside. Right. There's a link to this stream. It's a referral link, my referral link. So you use it to open. When you open an account, verify your account. It makes you kind of like my client, all right? So I'm your partner. You become my client. If you have any issues, you reach out to me. I'm gonna help you solve those issues, all right? You get priority support and all those things, right? So that's the reason why I recommend you open the account in the description. Right? When you're done, all right, you can fund it with $50 or more. If you want to, you can fund it 1,000. Right? Even better, if you fund more, obviously you could make more money, right? So why limit yourself? All right, so yeah, if you do that, just hit me up on Telegram, and then we're gonna get you inside. Simple as that. Even right now, my admins are getting people inside. Guys, we are back to the entry, and we are kind of like in profits right now, right? But we're still at the entry. Oh, we're getting profits. Yeah. I come here every week, show you the same thing, everything here. Yeah. So let's see what happens anyway. Price is back in Jordan. Oof. I shouldn't be over expectant, but we'll just let markets do their thing as always, man. Just set to add positions. No, we're still at the entry. We're still in drawdown. Why are you adding positions? You're adding to a losing trade. If you add positions here, you're adding to a losing trade. So you shouldn't be doing that. Do you make any money with me being your client? Yes, I make some money because of the spreads that obviously Access gets to charge every client, even myself. I get to charge the spread. But every broker charges you a spread, so regardless. Good morning. Hey, man. Awesome. Let me do that. Brilliant stuff. You don't lose anything actually. I don't make money off you. I make money from the platform, so you don't lose anything actually. It's not like the money is coming from you to me. No, it's not doing that. There's a lot of ways to kill birds. Yes, there's a billion ways to kill birds. You just need to pick which method you're gonna use. Yeah, guys, we need to be patient. This trade is not in profits as yet. It's still at the entry. So if you check my VIP every time, look at this. This trade we took yesterday, I sent this trade at 10:20:23, right? It was a buy on gold, and then I said straight in profits. That was 10:30, like maybe 7 minutes later, all right? And then 10:36, which is kind of like maybe a couple minutes later as well. We hit TP1, and then by 10:37, yeah, that was TP1 running. And then I think we went up TP2, I think around like 12, right? So we give the trade time regardless, right? So yeah, what I do is execute, put my stop, have my TPs, and just wait. That's everything I do, all times. All right. Hey Nathan, what are the reasons for this sell? There's a fib level here. Price retraced across. We had Asian sessions low being broken during London. We are trading below it. Right, those are reasons enough, Jonathan. I don't need too much than that. So reasons enough. It could lose, yes, it could lose. If the worst happens, yeah, it could lose. But the good part is I have my risk in tech. I know if I lose on this, I'm gonna lose like maybe 2,000, but that should be okay. That should be okay. I put my stop around like 5,175. Yeah, look at this. 5,175. That's what I put my stop. Yeah. But there's NFP, guys. Tomorrow there's NFP. So I don't know what markets are going to look like today. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, drawdown right now. Crazy. Yeah, drawdown. Look, $600 negative. $500 now. Drawdown. Yeah. Anyway, let's see. What's the stop? My stop is 5,175. That's my stop. Trading with you from Kasama. Nice, brilliant. You really helped me a lot. I love to help you, man. What are you trading right now? I want to open a position. I'm in gold sells right now. I had an issue with the account saying change partner. Hit me up. We're going to help you fix that. Safe to add positions? No, you can't add positions to a losing trade. It's currently not a winning trade. You know, the only time it becomes a winning trade is if we see candles closing and they look like this. All right, that's the only time. If we see a candle closing and it looks like this, then it becomes a winning trade, right? If price is here, you can add positions. If price is here, you can add positions. You can't add positions when price is here. You can't add when price is here. You can't add when price is here. You can't even add when price is here. I don't do that. All right. So you can only add if price is here. Basically, if you want to. Anyway. Yeah, man. So what else are you guys trading? Let me look at that as well. All right. Maybe we can find other better opportunities. What else are you guys trading right now? Besides gold, what else are you guys trading? What else are you guys trading? Yeah, we have a March mentorship class, 28th and 29th, $99. You guys can join that if you want to, right? Look at this. We have a class, March strategy class, this, right? $99 on the 28th and 29th. It's a once-off fee. You guys learn my high performance strategy. All the details you can't see from this stream, right? You guys get to learn all that. We did one just recently for February. We're gonna do one for March. I don't know if we're gonna do another one for the next month after. I think we'll give you space, but you guys can join this one for March. It's $99 based on the current rate. If you're paying in whatever, is it Kwacha or whatever, but it's $99. It's once off, and I think it's the cheapest class you can ever get. Right? Doesn't mean that knows there's a lot of value. You guys can join if you want to. Right? But it's not a forcing matter anyway. It's up to if you can. If you can't, it's fine. You don't need to. Alrighty? Yeah, man. So candle close bullish. 5 minutes candle close bullish. That's sick. What would be more sick is if the next candle closes and it breaks. There's a structure point here. You guys see the structure point? Right? There's a structure point around this level. Right? If the other candle comes and closes bullish above this area, we can start panicking, because then price would have broken a structural point on a lower time frame, basically. But it hasn't yet, so we're just still holding the trade. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see what happens anyway. Yeah, still like, because I ended a few positions, right? So still like $95, you know, negative $100 and stuff. But we just, what else are you guys trading right now? What else are you guys trading right now? You can't tell me we all trading gold at the same time. What time frame is it? It's a 5 minute time frame. That's the smallest time frame I ever get to. I don't use like 1 minute and stuff. Exactly like my setup. Oh, nice. If we lose together. Pressure is that I don't trade gold. Do you have any analysis on BTC? I could look at that actually. Right? Let's look at that actually. Let's check it out. Let's go check out BTCUSD. Oof, man, look at this. Wow, look at this. Wow. I was giving an explanation yesterday, but look at this, man. This is a massive push to the freaking downside. I think I get it why price is doing this. Do you know why? It's retracing. It's retracing across this level. Right? It's retracing across this level. Look at this. Price is retracing across here. It's got into an area of interest. I don't know if it's gonna break. If it's gonna break, nah, that's not where the fib starts from. The fib starts from here actually. So it's got into the area of interest like right now, which is 61.8. Yeah. So I would say that maybe if you've been selling, you could start thinking of taking out your money. Yeah, if you've been selling BTC, I think it's wise. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, I think it's wise. Price is already low here. Look at this. Price is low right now. Guess what next would happen here? Anybody guess? You don't need to even guess, right? I think you know what next could happen. Next thing could happen here is price can pull back. Alrighty? Yeah, it's possibilities of that happening. So just in case you to my stream. I don't know what happened. Sorry for that, guys. I don't know, for some reason I just lost my stream. Why does this happen all the time? I lost my stream for a bit. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to. But do you guys get the idea behind BTC right now? Yeah, long term, I think it's bullish. I think it's done going to the downside as of right now, to be honest with you. I think it's going to find some kind. Look at this actually. Look at this. There's huge exhaustion. There's massive exhaustion, right? Yeah, okay, let's change this to our favorite yellow color because we trade on a yellow broker. Yellow broker, yellow color. In case you ever wonder why I use yellow for this, because I trade on a yellow broker. Okay, I trade on a yellow broker. There's massive exhaustion around this area. This could be an important area of interest. All this space is right now. All right, just in case you're wondering, price could pull up from here. All right, yeah, price could. Please check out gold. I think it's playing out. Really, I didn't have any doubts actually. I didn't have any doubts. I was just giving price time to do his thing. Yeah, price just needs to do his thing. Yeah, I think I'm up like 1,000. Yeah, my count is $15,000 in equity now in balance, and yeah, 15,000. I think we're playing out on gold, kinda. Still has a long way. Anyway, still has a long way. Same here, sir. I'm in the same trade. Beautiful. All right. I think BTC, it might reach 68913. Really? Before it goes up. Okay, 68913. That's like somewhere down here. Somewhere here. Oh, okay. It's good. But I know that right now it's gonna retrace first, all right? Because it's been pushing down. Maybe it's gonna retrace first before, if you think it's gonna sell. Yeah, so you could be right, but maybe it has to retrace a little bit. Yeah, I mean the candles are bearish. We can't expect we have to wait for a couple more candles, maybe like 2, 3, 4 more candles, and then we can make the decision on BTC. But if you were selling, I get why you sold here. Okay, I get why you sold here. Price was in this like descending channel kind of like thing. So if you were selling, you're selling here, and then London open right there. Yeah, there's like a fib, small fib across this impulse here too. So yeah, but I can't take a position on BTC right now. I don't see any execution point. Yeah, very good asset. Gold is going well. Okay, very good asset. This is a very brilliant asset. BTC is a brilliant asset. Brilliant asset. Brilliant asset. I don't know if I should ever get into trading. Okay, you don't know why. You don't know if you should ever get into trading. Okay, I understand. Um, how long do you think gold will take to go down? You're being impatient. That's not trading. You're being so impatient. We can't approximate the time when volume is going to come in. To be honest with you, we can't. Well, we can see if it's coming in based on the candles closing, but we can't approximate. We can't. Price is still at the entry. Oh, drawdown now. Yeah, but we can't approximate as yet, man. Look, ever since we got into this trade, it's been ranging filthy. I don't know if it's a sign that it wants to continue going up, but it's been ranging around here. Look at this. Filthy candles, back to back. Yeah, but I told you guys, I put this structure point here. If price breaks a structure point, it could be some signs. But if it doesn't, like what it's doing, I like what it's doing now, then we just need to give it time to see what price is going to do. Don't be impatient. Don't be impatient, right? You are trading Forex. This is not a, I don't know, whatever else that you probably do. You need patience. They say that Forex, if you're going to be profitable, money is moved from the impatient to the patient, right? And I kind of feel like that's a very truthful statement, because then if you're very impatient, you give back your wins. You're going to, prematurely close positions. Yeah, but you need to be very patient. Do you guys find Exness to be a good broker? Let me hear from you anyway. I don't know. You guys find Exness to be a good broker? You guys trade on Exness? Like, if you actually do, I don't mean people who don't trade on a broker. Like, you guys find Exness to be a good broker? Like, based on your personal experience. What are some of the things that you don't like about the platform? What are some of the things that you guys don't like about the platform? Exness. You guys find it to be a good broker? What are some of the things that you guys don't like about the platform, if you have any? I've been trading on this platform for the last 2 to almost 3 years now only. I don't remember trading on any other broker till now, and not because of any business that I have going on in the broker. No, it's just basically I love the platform. I like the spreads they have, I think. I like the instant execution too, and the fact that I think they're one of the few brokers here in Zambia that offer mobile money payment as an option. All right. Yeah, I mean, it has its days. Sometimes it goes off and sometimes it's back, but I think they've tried to maintain it on the platform. Yeah, I think I like the fact that, well, there's a lot of brokers you can ever pick from, to be honest, especially if you're starting. You might have this as an issue, like, hey, which broker is the best? Okay. You just need to pick your poison. There's no 100% proper broker in a sense, right? But there are brokers like this one that I kind of feel like overall you have more benefits, okay, in a sense of your trading conditions than the negatives, I would say. All right, maybe part of the negatives you can have is, maybe the verification process is a bit stiff, but I get that from people. Like some people will be like, I can't verify my account. When I upload this document, it can't just go through, right? But I think if you do it right, it's not really a very stiff process. Just sometimes you upload wrong documents, the dates are off, what else? Maybe the names on the documents. Like if you're gonna try and verify your proof of residence, right? You need a document that has your address, but also has your name on it. All right. So you can't verify your proof of address with a document that has somebody else's name. All right. Even though the address might be yours, but then if it doesn't have your name, you most likely won't get it verified. Right. And also it has to be like a document that has maybe like in the recent 6 months. I think it's been it's been valid for the recent maybe like 6 months, not more than that. Right. So if you upload a document, let's say bank statement that's more than 9 months, but most likely won't approve that, right? If you upload an ID that's blurred, right, they can't see your face. Most likely they won't get it verified, right? So I kind of feel like some people really have this kind of issues like verification and stuff, which could be some of the maybe the cons. But ideally, I think the broker is good. Like personally, I'm speaking from personal experience, guys. I'm running up to 2K right now on gold. Yeah, so this is the part we can say we can upload in the VIP here that we What's happening? We're coming with it. We can say that we in profits. Yeah, we haven't hit any TP yet. I don't think we have, right? Yeah, let's just tell them that guys, we are in profits, so you guys can know that the money is flowing. Yeah, check out this. I type that, drops, and then let me be the first person to add a fly emoji. Let's see if anybody else is gonna do that too. Yeah, but we are in some profits right now. A little bit of some profits. My aim is to make an extra 7K. Then I'll be up 14K for the week on two trades. Yeah, 2 trades. Yesterday I made 7K. If I make 7K today, I'm up 14K. Then my brand new car should be coming very soon. Yeah, I'm very aggressive lately, like very aggressive. I'm not taking chances because I have a strategy that works. So I don't see a need to take chances, to be honest. I've seen this happen. You guys see this happen. I come here every freaking time and I show you guys this every time. So even personally, I'm the person who invented this strategy. So I don't have any excuse not to go hard using this strategy. I don't have any excuse. Why? I've seen this happen. I see this happen every freaking time. So when I see a high probability setup, I don't take chances. Like I freaking don't take chances. Yeah, so we're good now. Let's see. TP1 is 5154. We're getting close to TP1. We're getting close to TP1. How can I join the VIP signals? There's a link in the description to this stream. Click that link and then you will get assistance on how you can join. But you might need to open an account with Exodus, right? And the account that you might need to open, let me show you, is going to, you need to open it. Okay, this is not the stream anyway. The stream we are on is this one here, okay? So if you check the stream we are on right now, alrighty, and then you come down here. Okay, there's a broker to use, which is Exodus in this case, right? I want you to be on the same platform as me so we can trade together on the same market conditions and everything else the same. So there's a link there. You can open your account with that link. And then the second link says join VIP free. If you click this link, it's going to direct you to my admin who's going to add you to the VIP. All right. But only if you open an account and then you fund it. All right. Guys, we are about like 4 points away from TP1. Who does it better? Who does it better? Okay, fine. This candle closed. TP1 is somewhere here. We are about 6-10 more points away from it. Let's see if we can hit it. I don't know if we're gonna hit it, but let's see if we can hit it. TP1 hit? No, it hasn't been. Maybe yours has been hit. Has it? No, it's supposed to be here, man. Few points missed. Few points away. 5-1, 5-4. Yeah. Imagine someone trading live here with you. Like you get to see the emotions from everything that they're doing, right? When we enter the trade, the drawdown, to the trade now starting to play out. Let's see if we can hit TP1. I woke up. I took a shower. No, I woke up. I played with my. I have 2 kids. Well, one of my kids is in school. The other one is a little one. It's a baby. So I woke up. I took a shower. I played with my baby for a bit, and I came straight in this office. And I just went up. I straight went into the stream because I like doing this with you guys every freaking time. Ooh. There we go. Beautiful. TP1's been hit. Who does it better? You need to tell them that we do this live. We don't do like those freaking signal thing. Well, we do that too. So we do everything better. Anyway, so tell me how much you're making, guys. Yeah, there we go. TP1's been hit. Let's put the money guy. Look at the money guy there. Look at the money guy throwing some money. Oh, he's not throwing money anymore. Why? Why is this guy not throwing money? Oh, there is. The money guy throwing money there. TP1's been hit. Bro, nobody does it better. Well, there is people who do it, but I take pride in my skills, man. And don't ever think I'm so proud. I just know what I'm good at, right? I just know what I'm good at. There we go, guys. TP1's been hit. Brilliant stuff. 2 trades, 2 wins. Yeah, we can wait and see if TP2 is gonna be hit. But to be very honest with you, this is the part where you do what I call trade management. All right, you can move your stop to break even. You can secure some of your gains. You can move your stop to entry. Yeah, you can do that. How much you making, guys? Don't just tell me TP1 hit. How much you making? I want to hear that. I want to see that. How much you guys making? All right, how much you guys making right now? Check, all the updates are going on live in the VIP. This is what happens on the days that I'm not live here. So in case you'd want to cast the similar trades, you know you can join the VIP. This is a VIP here, guys. This is a VIP. Everything that you're seeing me doing here is being updated here in real time, like right now. Right? So yeah, man. Let me see how much you're making in the comments if you took the trade. Let me see how much you're making. Imagine you went and got a loan of $10,000 and then you join my VIP and then you just follow all my trades. Imagine you did that, $10,000 loan. And then you came. I'm not telling you to do that, please. I'm not telling you to do that. Don't come for me and be like, he told me to do it. No, I didn't say it. But imagine you had $10,000 somewhere and you could access it. And then you came and funded your Access account with it. And you just only trade when I send a trade. Only. You don't trade when I don't send a trade. You only trade when I send a trade. Imagine if you did that. Like you just say, hey man, I just want to join the VIP, and you join. And then on days I don't trade, you don't trade. You only trade when I send a trade. Imagine what could happen in a month. Just imagine. I'm not giving you ideas. I didn't say anything. Let me see how much you're making, guys. Let me see. Yeah. This is the real deal. I wish, and I say this every freaking time, I wish all your mentors would be trading live. Just like what we are doing right here. Okay? This is what I wish, that they would also be trading live. Because trust me, you can't fake this stuff. There is no way you can fake this. There's no way you can fake this, because we do it live every freaking time. $3,000 profit on a pro firm, $750. Brilliant stuff. Yeah, $150,000 running in profits, and we're doing it live. Live, everything is live. VIP is winning right there. We send a trade there, and this is the trade right now on gold. Everything is happening live. Everything is happening live. It's not a recording. This is happening right now. All right. So my people making money. Look at this guy. $1,500. Whoa, man. Beautiful. $30. Okay, that's something too. Brilliant stuff, guys. Let's go. TP1 hit now. Yeah, someone says, I can take that risk. It's on you. I didn't tell you to do it. Not a realistic idea. Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it. I didn't tell you to do it, Chris. I didn't tell you to do it. I didn't tell you to do it. There's a mentor who raped a Nigerian lady. That's what they're good at, maybe. They're not traders after all, I think. It's just some stupid guy who is hiding behind Forex. He shouldn't even be affiliated to us. Those are bad eggs that we have, making it look like every trader behaves like that. Yeah, I'm just trying to update my stories here. Because some people be like, you only post those stories when you are off the stream, so we can't join. Okay, fine. Guys, lock in your money, all right? Markets don't owe you anything, okay? Markets don't really owe you anything. Just lock in your money. This is a power of a working strategy, and that's the reason why we are hosting a class this March yet again. All right, this is a strategy class. You guys will learn everything around what I'm doing here. Learn the high performance strategy. You get access to our platforms, professional and trading tools. I have tools I use. Okay, some of the tools you guys see them, some of them you don't see them. But again, if you can obviously be a part of the class, you most likely will be able to access most of these things. Are we hitting TP2 now? Are we? Look at this, 6K. I only need extra 1K to just wrap this up. Then I'll be done trading for the day, to be honest with you. Yeah, we hit TP2. Oh, man. We hit TP2. Yes, we hit Tech Profit 2. Crazy, man. Let me tell everybody in the VIP to send me the results. What's happening, guys? So make sure you send your results right now. All right. Let me see your results. Make sure you send them the DM. I'm going to put it under this voice note. Let's see how much you're making, and make sure you secure gains as well, right? We hit TP2, so make sure you secure gains. Everything, guys, is happening. Look at this. This is a voice note I just sent right now. All right. So everything is happening right now. All right. Send your results now. I want to see it. All right. You guys can also send me your results if you want to on stream. All right. Yeah. So just send me, check Mr. Nas 100 on Telegram. All right. You can send your results there. I just want to see how much you make. There we go. Just send your results now. Yeah, guys. So I think I'm personally going to close. I hit my target. Look at this, 7K. Right. So screenshot first, maybe, and then we close. Okay. Yeah, let's close. Yeah, close. Done trading. Look at this. When I came on stream, I was at 15K. This is 23K, right? 23K. And just to show you, this is not one of those demo fugazi stuff. This is a real Xmas account, all right? So I'm done trading. I am done trading for the day. I am totally done trading for the day. Send me your results, guys. Send me your results if you can on Telegram, right? Send me your results. I want to see this stuff. Let's celebrate together. Alrighty? Yeah. And make sure if you are not in the VIP, you might miss. If I see another setup as the day unfolds, I might send it in there, right? That could be an extra setup for the day, right? But make sure that, what does this guy mean? Stop loss at TP2. Oh, okay, break even. Oh, beautiful, man. My people know what to do. My people know what to do. Yeah, make sure you join the VIP if you can, all right? Meaning right after this stream, click the link in the description, join the VIP, and don't miss the next trade. Okay? Don't miss the next trade. Thank you for the setup, anytime. Which trader was that? Okay, I don't know. It's not, that's a quick question. How do you decide on adding positions when you consider before adding another? Now, I just look at how candles are closing, to be honest. If candles are closing a certain way, I add positions. If they don't, then I just don't. Right. So here I was going to add positions below this candle. When this candle closed bearish, I was going to add a position, but I already had enough positions, I think. So that was okay. Every day, all day, we come here and we win. Most times at least. The time we lose too, but most times at least we come here and we win. And you guys see it. Please, let's do it even tomorrow. I missed out on the entries. Ooh, join the VIP. So if I'm not live tomorrow, you don't miss the trades. This VIP is a very powerful platform. It's a very powerful platform. Trust me, very powerful platform. Very, very powerful. Because then you just don't get the signal, right? You get the setup. Look, this was before, right? This was before, literally, and this is after. So you get the setup too. So you learn from it as well if you can. So yeah, man. So I should be ending the stream soon. But W's, if you guys loved it, and let me know how much you're making. I'm seeing the results you're sending on Telegram. Send. If you can, Tag me on Instagram. Let me post that right now. That we are making some money together. All right. Let's take pride in what we do, man. This is our work. Let's take pride in what we do. This is our work. This is our work. Let's take pride in what we do. Look at this. All these people sending me results right now. Look at this. All these people here. You see that? Send me your results too. All these people sending results. Right? Everybody else there sending the results. Send yours too right now. All right? Send yours right now too. This is game changer. Everybody else can send you signals, but who can live trade with you is the biggest question. Okay, who can live trade with you is the biggest question. All right, because I get it. Live trading. You know why people are scared of it? They know the crazy stuff they do behind the Telegram channels. They know the crazy stuff they do. So if they have to come here and be live in real time and execute, they know how crazy that is. But bro, like, why won't you do it if your strategy works? If you have a strategy that works, why won't you just do it? Like, we get it, you lose some days, yeah, it's part of trading, but if you can win more, we'll see that because your strategy works and you claim it works, so we're gonna see that, right? I'm not bragging anyway, I'm just telling you guys that there's a difference between what I do and what everybody else does. So basically, well, I do everything. I give you signals, I do live trading, I do everything else, but I'll show you guys that the beautiful part is us doing it live together. When trading ends with this wall, oh bro, trading will never end. Trading will never end. Never. It will never happen. It's not happening. It can never happen. Let that thought not even cross your mind, because it's never happening. Trading is never coming to an end. Even if you stop trading today, even if I did stop, trading is never coming to an end. Everything else can end, not trading. Brother, trading is not ending anytime soon. Whoa, never ending. It's not. This is our career. This is our profession. This is an entire system. This is not a game. This is not one of those games that somebody created. No, this is the world. Trading is the world. If the world ends, trading ends. If the world doesn't end, trading doesn't end. If there's some war somewhere, it doesn't mean trading ends. If there's war in the States or wherever else, doesn't mean trading ends. Trading will never end. Yes, this is our life, actually. It's not going anywhere. Brother, it's not going anywhere. Don't even let that thought cross your mind. You are committing a sin to the Forex market. If you say it's ending, you are committing you're committing a sin. I like your work ethic. You always show up. Really? Thanks. I've been like this. This is day one. I've been like this. Sometimes I feel lazy. Oh, I shouldn't do it. But man, I just have to always show up. Everywhere, all times. I need to always show up. And it keeps dropping. Wow. You saw this in real time, Jonathan. And you were asking why I took the trade, right? Now you see why we took the trade. Jonathan was part of the class we did yesterday in person. He was asking questions to get clarity. And I like that too, because then he doesn't understand something, he asks. One of my brilliant students too. And he came around yesterday at the, we have an office space. We do physical classes and physical trainings and stuff. So he was there yesterday, and while we were having the class, he was asking questions, and I get why he has to ask again today. Like, why did you take that trade? So I think we discussed most of this, right, Jonathan? Yeah, we discussed this yesterday in person. So I think adding that extra touch today and trading the same concepts live with you today, I hope it gives you extra confidence. Does it? Does it give you extra confidence? I hope it does. Bro, this is 2,000 points. Yeah, this is 2,000 points. 2,000 points. Look at this. Crazy. well, 2,000 pips. What do you guys call 2,000 pips? Actually, this is what you're seeing here. Yeah, we had drawdown, right? You guys saw it. You had all these things. Send your results right now. Send me your results, okay? Send me your results right now. Why is this guy sending a sell signal now? I mean, some guys signal platforms and they're sending a sell now. Why? Price is low. Some guy just sent a sell signal now. What is he seeing, bro? No, I just don't understand why he sent it. Not like he's a bad trader, but I just don't try to understand why he sent it. I just don't understand why he said it. Yeah, man. Okay, you see, he ended a sell here. And now look at price going up. Well, it could go down, yes, further, but it's not a good entry spot. It's not a good entry spot for a sell. It's not, to be honest, it's not. Just trying to get back on the charts. It does. I actually made $20. Nice. Looking forward to next week. Yeah, next week we have another class. You guys can join. Just fill in the form in the description that you can be a part of it. May God keep you for us, the humility you teach. Thanks, Alex. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Please never stop doing this. I won't stop doing it. I've been doing it for years now. I wouldn't stop just today. Look, if you go on the channel, we are not the biggest, globally. I'm not the biggest trader in the whole world. There's guys who are more influential than me, and they have a lot of people on their backs. But I've been doing what I do, even with 2 people. The first stream was the craziest. This was not actually the first stream. The first stream was archived, I think. Yeah, I think we need to put it back. I don't think this was the first stream. This is like 2 years ago. We're streaming on Zoom. Look at how pathetic this looked. And I was trading on a different broker, but then I moved on because of the market conditions that the broker I used to use then, the execution would delay. Like the execution would really delay. And I hated that because I want fast execution. Like you see, like this trade I was taking here, right? If the broker is delaying my execution, right, it means that if I want to enter at a certain price point, right, I want to enter at that price point, right? I click buy, or I click whatever position. Like in this case, I click buy, right? It will always tell me that it will bring a notification to do with like execution failed, something like that, right? So you had to press as many times. I didn't understand why that would happen. So of course I had to find another better platform, and that's why we are Excellence right now. And Excellence has proved to be the best, at least from the recent time. Well, it's not about the brokers, to be honest. The skill has always been there, because if you check some of these streams, I'm still as transparent as showing an FX book of the account I was trading at the time, and how I'm growing that account, and some of you guys who've been there, you remember this time, then 2023, way back. This is 2026 now. Imagine, same thing, showing up every freaking time, right? Same concepts, few things added here and there, but everything remains the same. So, yeah, man, guys, if you loved it, are you in buys? Why would I be in buys though? I closed my positions. I closed my positions actually. Yeah, look, no position running now. I closed all my positions. I made my 7K and I was done. Yeah, so still selling actually. I don't think it's buying anyway. Yeah. Are we happy, guys? Are we happy with the stream? I'm gonna end it. I think right up now. Are we happy with the stream? Today's stream? I know we're always happy with every other stream, but are we extremely happy with today's one? Because I think we secured about 3,000 pips in a single stream, right? Yeah, we smashed out Tech Profit 2. Yeah. Why is this happening though? Yeah, are we happy with the stream, guys? We smashed out Tech Profit 2 right on stream as well. Yeah, I bet everybody else is happy. Very happy. Very happy. Looking for the next one. Awesome. Mad respect. Brilliant stuff. Brilliant stuff. Live and live. Yeah, guys. So I think we're going to end here. I think we're done trading for the day. We're going to end here. We've been live for almost an hour. Almost an hour. Yeah. And we're done trading for the day. Guys, peace out. Don't forget, you can join the VIP platform. All right. And if you want to join the VIP platform, just open your Access account with the link attached to this video. Fund it with $50 or more if you want. Then hit me up on Telegram. I'm going to add you almost immediately. Help with capital, sir. I have days when I do that. I do giveaways and stuff. And yeah, maybe you could be lucky. Just follow the giveaways I do, and then you could be lucky. Why do I feel like I have made it, but I'm still not profitable? There's things you don't know yet that you probably need to know. And that's the reason why we're hosting a class as well in March, this March. We're hosting a class, which is this one here, all right? 28th, 29th, right? You guys can join that class, right? And you can understand the more that you don't know probably yet. So it makes you a better trader eventually, if you want to. Anyway, peace out, guys. Trade safely. Maybe I'll be back tomorrow. If I am not back, I'm in the VIP, okay? If I am not back, I'm in the VIP. All right. So that's it. All righty. Bye-bye.